Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Radico Khaitan. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Radico Khaitan with a price target of Rs 1900. The company has maintained guidance of 15 to 18% volume growth in the P&A segment in FY25. We like the company's focus on launching new products in the brown and white spirits, targeting the premium and luxury segment to consistently gain market share in key markets and outpace the industry. Margins have bottomed out, and we should expect consistent improvement in profitability and cash flows in the coming years. We expect the company's revenue and PAT to clock 21% and 47% CAGR, respectively, over FY24 to 26. The stock is currently trading at 53 times FY25 and 41 times FY26 earnings. Next, we have an update on Bharti Airtel. Our analyst maintains buy on Bharti Airtel with a price target of Rs 1550. Since the company, which continues to deliver industry-leading mobile service ARPU, is well placed to benefit from tariff hikes, which are likely to post-election. During Q4, home business, mobile services in India, Airtel business revenues and digital TV grew 20%, 12.9%, 14.1% and 5.5% year-on-year respectively. In the medium term, management sees strong growth tailwinds in non-mobile parts of its portfolio, which are homes, B2B and digital TV. Further, after a high capex due to 5G rollout in FY24, moderation in capex in FY25 will be another positive. We expect sales of 14% and PAT CAGR of 47% over FY24 to FY26. At current market price, the stock trades at 24.3 times its FY26 estimated EPS and 10.2 times its FY26 EV by EBITDA.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.